This video describes the option to merge the data from two or more pressures and or rate gauges in Saphir or Topaz. Suppose we have a Saphir document with rate and pressures and we receive new data which we want to merge with the existing pressure channel. We load the new pressures and view both data sets in the history plot. The pressure values of the new data are shifted to visually separate the two channels. You can see that there is time overlap between the two. To merge them, we go to Edit QA/QC section and select QA/QC. We select Merged in the toolbar. First, we need to select the channels we want to merge. The active gauge is selected by default, and we add gauge number 2. If we have more channels to merge, we can also use the Select All option. Then we decide how to treat data in the overlapping time period. We will select the first option, where we will use all the data from gauge number 1 until the last point, followed by the data from gauge number 2. Finally, we need to select if we want to overwrite the existing gauge or create a new one. We will select a new gauge. We can do a visual inspection of the merged dataset by clicking the Preview button. You can see that it uses all the data from gauge number 1 and the data from gauge number 2 only from the last point onwards. We click OK, and we have created a new pressure channel which we can give an appropriate name. We can also merge rate data in exactly the same way. This concludes this video on Saphir Pressure Transit Analysis module. To learn more about this or any other KAPPA modules, browse the website for literature, more videos, and example data, or contact support at kappaeng.com or your local KAPPA office.